Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Symbaloo account. Follow these steps to enable it effectively. Step 1. Log into your Symbaloo account. Start by visiting the Symbaloo website and logging into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, locate the section for security settings. This is where you will find the option to enable two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to choose a method for receiving your authentication codes, such as via SMS or an authentication app. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting your preferred method, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your choice. Once verified, make sure to save your changes to activate two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Symbaloo account with two-factor authentication. Remember to keep your authentication method secure and accessible.